How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can change GIF on your Royal Kludge S98. Now, it's extremely simple. First things first, you want to get the official hub or the official software for your RK products. You could just search it up on Google and you should be good to go. From there, navigate through your keyboard and just make sure that it is set to the USB mode or the cable mode. You want to avoid wireless connection when doing this method. So basically with this one, it will transfer some files from our computer to the actual keyboard. So we need the cable in order to do this. Open up the RK Hub software, click on this option right here, and then now we are inside the GIF options. So just click on the load button and then you will be able to select which GIF or which file you want to select in order to be put to the RK keyboard. And so that's how you do it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.